Hi, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken noodle soup. This is great comfort food for when someone in your home is sick, or it's really cold outside, or you just need something substantial to eat for lunch. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started and chop up our vegetables. We need a cup of each vegetable, so we're going to chop up some onion, and we're going to chop up some carrot and some celery. Then we're going to heat our pot with a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to put in the onion, the carrot, and the celery, and we're going to saute those at medium heat until they get a little bit softened. Then we're going to squeeze in a clove of garlic and saute that a little bit just until it gets scented. We're going to sprinkle in some flour, some poultry seasoning, oregano, and thyme. Stir that for just a few minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and add the chicken broth. I like to use about 8 cups of chicken broth. So just pour that right into your pot, and you're going to turn the heat up and bring that to a boil. You're going to let that simmer for about 25 minutes, and then you're going to add the rest of the ingredients. Go ahead and add a little bit of salt to the broth, and then you're ready to add the chicken. You can totally make your own chicken for this, but today I bought a roasted chicken and it was so easy to pull apart and tear into bite-sized pieces, and that's what we're going to use for this recipe. And then we're going to add a really secret ingredient, evaporated milk. This is the key to making this soup special. It makes it nice and creamy and delicious. All right, quick tip on your evaporated milk. Always check the date because evaporated milk does expire. And it's a good idea to give it a shake to incorporate the ingredients in there, because things settle in there and you don't want to open up and have things sticking to the sides. If you're making this as a chicken noodle soup, this is also the time to add the noodles. Then you're going to cook the soup just until the noodles get softened, which is usually about 10 minutes. After the noodles are done cooking, you're going to add in the last ingredient, and that is about a cup of frozen peas. Just stir that until the peas get all heated up and your chicken noodle soup is ready to eat. I love serving this when the weather starts to get chilly in the fall and all winter long. You're going to love this recipe. It's such great comfort food. For the full details on this recipe, visit recipegirl.com.